G'day everybody, it's Matthew Dawn from Lawnporn. Get your lawn on. In today's video, we're going to be doing our week 1 application of the Lawnporn program for spring in September, being the Launch 50 mils tank mix with root builder 50 mils. Launch is a balanced NPK fertilizer. It's great for condition and it's also got kelp in it for the root zone. So it's a top to toe conditioning of the grass plant. And root builder, that will increase the root mass over time. It'll triple the root mass. Better roots means a much more drought resistant plant, much more healthier plant, and much more resistant to disease. So the application is nice and easy. Make 50 mils of Launch, 50 mils of root builder per the 100 square meters in the amount of water that your area uses. I've done about 40 mils because my area is 80 square meters here, but we're also going to do the back, and you haven't seen the back lawn for a while, so stick around in this video, you will see that. Just on a note of last week, dropped a video, just went completely nuts. Thank you very much. Got about an extra 600 subscribers since last week, so the channel's really growing. So I'm home full time now, which is great, and that will mean lots more content coming out throughout the whole season. I'll basically do every application throughout the season on this beautiful Tiff Tough lawn at the front and the kikuyu that I have out the back. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe, it helps me grow, and enjoy the season with Lawnporn. All right, I've got the mix ready to go. Let's spray that down. Let's go.
So this is the first foliar application for the season, and this lawn hasn't been treated with a foliar for a while. Foliar means through the leaf, and that's why we're at low levels of 50 mils Launch, 50 mils root builder. The plant will need time to get used to foliar feeding, so that's why we go low levels first.
As you can see, the grass has really come back from last week. Where my wife's standing right now, it's was all a lot of thatch exposed, and as you can see now, it's just really recovered very well. This Launch will help it along, that's for sure.
Launch is a balanced NPK and it's suitable for any time of the year. It's great for repairing from injury, it's great for repair from renovations, and also a great general conditioning fertilizer because it's got the balanced NPK and also the kelp for the root zone. It is a great product that can be used all year round. And root builder will continue to grow that root zone, very important for pre-renovation purposes.
Oop. It's a little bit too close to the fence there.
If you're a keen follower of the channel, you'll notice that I've used this spray a lot. It's the BA Group GK75 Greenskeeper sprayer. I'm looking at making something a little bit smaller, more suitable for my yard in the future, so be sure to subscribe to check that out.
Let's get that little gap in there. The really cool thing about liquids is that you don't have to water it in, and basically it works very, very fast. It gets into the plant within 2 hours. Goes through the whole system in about 6 hours. So if you are looking to do a mow after your application, at least wait 6 hours, but it's better to leave it a full day. That way the plant gets used to the application.
With foliar feeding, just build up over a few applications, 3 to 4, till you get to full strength. Or just follow the Lawnporn program. We've got you covered.
Let's go do the back. Haven't seen that in a while.
Before we go to the back, just wanted to let you know that this channel, I'm doing lots of content regards the equipment that I use, and I'm going to be doing some future reviews on this Ego stuff, which, you know, I've had for a year now and it's still doing very, very well. So look out for that in the future. Also, reno season is upon us, and I've got already a video out of the difference between a scarifier and a dethatcher, but the next reno video, I'm really going to get some good content going there for you to help you with your lawn journey. So be sure to subscribe to Lawnporn. It helps me grow and helps me get this video out to more keen enthusiasts with their lawn. The next video I've got coming out is the basics of cylinder mowing, and it's a great update to a video that I'd done previously, I think, and it will really give you confidence if you haven't used a cylinder mower before or you're considering getting a cylinder mower. Cylinder mowers are really great for that low look, that golf course look for sure, but there are pitfalls and you need to be made aware of them before diving in, because it can get a little frustrating at times. So look forward to that video. Again, subscribe to be notified when that video comes out.
Okay, so this is the backyard. This is Kikuyu. This looks nothing like what it did about 4 weeks ago. The dog had about 7 really deep holes like that in it. So the fencing that you see around here, we had to fence him off and to try and let it regrow, and it's been growing like mad. It's also given me an opportunity to test the Luba 2, but I turned that off a few days ago. Simply, I just wanted to let it grow a little bit so we get a good look at what that is like to use. But you know, as I was away for the whole couple of months, well, you know, I've been away 6 months this year, robotic mowers have really been handy, but the dog sort of got to the yard and I wasn't doing any treatments to this yard, and he really just went to town on it. So the temporary fences, that's why we've got that there. So we'll start doing the program from today, and I'm just going to continue just using the launch. About a fortnight ago, I did give this a 4 seasons, and it's nice and deep green now. So yeah, just these bare patches here, they just really need to be growing in, because what the dog does is he goes for the bare patches, digs it, and he wants to put a ball down there. So he's quite playful, and it's a dog thing. I don't think we're going to really get him out of it, so hence the fence to limit him. Another thing in this grass, you'll probably note, it is a bit hard to see from where the camera is now, but we've got plenty of winter grass come up in it. So the thing about winter grass is this area wasn't treated with a pre-emergent, and that's what comes up. So a lot of people notice winter grass at this time of year, early September, and they go, oh, I've got winter grass, I need to kill that off. It'll die off soon enough anyway. And the reason is, when it gets to this stage and it's all seed heads all showing, it's game over really. You've got a dead skeleton of a plant. It's just waiting to dry out and for the seeds to spread for the next lot of winter grass that will come up in winter. So to combat this, don't do anything, just mow, don't worry about it. It's too late for a post-emergent herbicide because the system is not working. So it's not really going to do anything. And when you reno, this has got a very shallow root system. It'll disappear anyway. If it doesn't disappear with the reno, or if you're not doing a reno, it'll soon disappear anyway. Just remember to use your pre-emergent March next year, like Spartan or Barricade, and that will protect against having winter grass in the future. So all I'm going to do with this today is the launch, which is the 50 mil per 100 square meters tank mix with 50 mil per 100 square meters of root builder. It's you know, as I said before, NPK in nice balanced ratios. That feeds the plant top to toe. It's got kelp for the root zone, and the root builder will continue to build the root zone. That's a kelp as well. So a quick spray of this is all I'm doing today, and I don't have to do anything else. So in regards to the dog and whether it's pet safe or not, yes, it is pet safe, but it is best to keep the dog off of the lawn for at least 2 hours, just to let the product go into the leaf and go into the system. And again, I wouldn't mow this for a whole day. You can mow it 6 hours afterwards. I've got this nice and long to review some mowers, so yeah, I would leave it a day though. All right, let's do it. Yabbering.
I'm really looking forward to this spring for sure, and now that I'm going to be home full time, it's going to be great to get heaps of content out to you. So a little project of making a similar spray to this is definitely on my cards, and as I mentioned it before, I'm going to take you through that journey, so definitely subscribe.
I'm making a mark there just so I know where it got up to.
So I've also got some robotic mowers that I've been reviewing on here that I've got some vision of, and I'll be making into videos soon. But the Luba 2, while I was away, did a fantastic job, I can tell you that much. Really enjoyed that, and I'm going to really enjoy showing that video to you for sure.
All right, near the end of my mix. I've got about 10 square meters left to do. going to do it. Or is it? There it is. A little bit left. And I've basically got that perfect because I've got nothing left in the sprayer. So I've perfectly got the right amount of water and mix. If I had a whole heap of mix left over, I would have undersprayed. Don't worry about it, just try and get a better result next time. If I ran out of mix with heaps of lawn to do, then I've oversprayed a little bit. But considering this is a low application, I wouldn't worry about that too much either. Just take note of the amount of water that you used when you did the application and increase and decrease as much as necessary. So the 120 square meters, I used about 6.5 litres of water, and that seems to be perfect for my situation. All right, everybody, hope you're enjoying your spring. It certainly is great weather at the moment, and can't wait to get to renovate this, but that will be happening in my holidays in October. Look, you know, I'm answering this question a million times, can I go now with your renovation? Look, you possibly could, but honestly, wait 2 or 3 more weeks, especially in the Victoria, Tasmania sort of area, and the lower southeast, South Australia, simply because there is a little bit of cooler weather coming. You really want the temperatures to add up to 34, your low and your high. So when you start getting that a bit more, and you'll get that in October, that's why I'm delaying my lawn renovation till October. All right, I hope you got something out of this. Be sure to like, subscribe, do all that. We'll see you in the next one. Get your lawn on.